Hello friends, today's topic is features of Scratch. What are the features we have in the Scratch? I'll be discussing the main features in the Scratch software. First one is of sprite information. So to increase or decrease the size and to give the names of these sprites, we can go for sprite information. I'll show you by using the software of Scratch, but before that we'll be discussing some other two concepts. Sprite library, where in which place where you want to select the sprite or where you want to upload a sprite from the gallery. Sounds editor, like the if you want to use sounds for your game or for designing animation within music. So for that we use sounds editor and we can give the recordings from the sounds. Now I'm coming for the Scratch dashboard to give you the clear idea and to explain. So in this we'll be having many features like many block codes that are motions, looks, sounds, events, like these are all the code blocks. And this is a workspace or the programming area where we are going to drag and drop to write the program. And this is the output or the result area where we can see our, if you observe, I'm just clicking on 15 degrees, the cat is turning its direction. So the result you can see it here. And to select the sprites, this is a sprite selection. Choose a sprite or you can select the magnifying glass for selecting the sprite. And for selecting the multiple backgrounds or for select the background, here you will be having the sign of picture plus sign. Click on that, you can choose your background. These are the basic features of the Scratch software. And now I want to discuss some other features like how to start and how to stop for the Scratch. Green flag is for start and red orange color hexagon shape, this is the stop. And we are having some other features like costumes. So if you want to change the color of the cat, or if you want to change some other shape, or if you want to give brush it, like the paint options what we have in the MS Pen, same similar to that we are having some options which we can do it for changing the colors or to erase. If you want to erase some part of the cat, just you can click on that, it is going to erase. So like that features we are having. So these are some other features which we are having in the Scratch. So now I have explained only the main feature of the Scratch, and in the coming videos we'll be discussing each and every block with programming and with one activity. Thank you.